Hey guys, Assalamualaikum. This is Nabeel Ahmad. Welcome to my YouTube channel Code with Nabeel. So guys, first of all, I am gonna show you the website which is Glint website. The Glint is a official website which is made by html&css. This is basically the responsive website as well. So here you can see the laptop mode, here you can see the tablet mode, and here you can see the mobile mode. Alright, these three modes. If I refresh it, first of all I am gonna show the laptop mode, and when I refresh it you can see the animation, and this is the best animation which you see. You can see the menu bar. This is the menu bar: home, about, service, works, clients and contacts. And this is the social media: Facebook, Twitter, Insta, Behance and Dribble. Moving forward, when you move forward you can see here is the line. You can see the scroll down, and this arrow is the up. So you can see the awards received: 1505109102 happy clients. When you move forward on the third page, we have got everything about we need launch and grow your business. Alright, then we love what we do. Check out some of our latest work. These are the latest work. Right, this is the Starbucks branding, woodcraft, web development, brown green, play area and wood start. When you click the picture will be showing you. Alright, when you click on the picture will be showing you. So client has been honored to the part to become our clients. This is our clients, Apple and so on. You can see here I add some logo. These are the client reviews, and you can see this is the most basically the responsive website. Here you can see the subject, our message and submit. When you submit, please enter message appreciate at least 15 characters. Alright, and when you submit, then your message was sent. Thank you, send us your message. Contact info, where you find us. This is the basically US address and email. What is email and info.com. Call us at, these are the numbers, and these are the social media, which is Facebook, Twitter, Insta, LinkedIn and Twitter. Actually this website is very professional website. So if you guys like this website, kindly hit the like button, subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon as well. Here is the logo which I show you. You can see here is the logo. When I move forward on the inspect element will show you that this is the header class and this is the section ID. Section ID, and I'll mostly work on div classes. Alright, now moving to the tablet mode. You can see if I refresh tablet mode, you can see the tablet mode is also showing you the responsiveness, and the mobile mode is also showing you the responsiveness. Alright, if I click on this button, the button will be scroll and up down the stairs. For finally, this is the logo button. You can see home. When I click about button, the about button will be showing you service and client and also the contacts. So this is the website. If you guys like this website, so press the bell icon, and thanks a lot for watching this video.